Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 7th of March 2022. So today, this one, we so landslide, so KLCI, KLSE landslide, drop like crazy. Okay, later we're gonna check out whether there's any survivor or not. Survivor means any stock that still can gain today. Okay, before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. CGS-CIMB want to open account, go to go to this form in the below the video or in the website tradingwithks.com, or in the Facebook you can find the link. You can open the account there. Facebook.com tradingwithks and Twitter.com tradingwithks. So coffee.com want to buy me coffee. So I think you guys already guessed it yesterday. You look at my video, from my voice and from my sound, and from my this gesture, you know I think you guys know I also got COVID. Actually the whole family so got so I don't want to every day keep on talking about the COVID because this is not the COVID channel. This is the stock market channel. But everyone get it, the whole family, okay, all the kids and all me and my wife also all get it. So now we are trying to struggle through the pain, the fever, the sore throat, the worry about the children, everything. But my daughter seems to recover faster. Okay, I think she is the one. But the two kids now, I think is almost almost like almost no symptom. But the elder, like me, my wife, still have to suffer But okay, but we already got both, because all of us already got vaccine. My wife already got fully vaccinated. So there are symptoms but not as serious for now not as serious as my daughter My daughter is most serious because she only get one jab only of this Pfizer, right? Okay, never mind. We look at the market today. Big drop. So look at the KLCI first. KLCI today 15 sentiment, very bad. Gainers 160, some survivor 923 losers. So market really boom today. 2.3 wow, very big volume, sell volume very big. 25.588%. 8 point drop, 1.61%, 11578. So big drop. Morning open straight away drop, no support. Look at the market, look at the sector. Consumer big drop 2.05. Wow. Industry 0.83 drop. Later we take a look at the KLCI chart. See whether we want to let go of some stock or not. Construction drop 0.8. Technology drop 5. Oh, technology judgment day already passed already. Big drop. Finance drops 2.11, property drop 1.96, plantation drops 0.77, RET drops 0.58, energy up 0.52, healthcare up, down, all down. Energy also only go up because the oil price go up. 3.45, telecommunication drop 1.67, transportation 2.05 drop, all big drop, utility 1.02. So big landslide. Take a look at KLCI. Oh, this is already come back, already broken through this line already. So now it looks like you want to come back to 1567. See 1567, the neckline here can support or not? This one. Sorry. Let me draw this one. Okay, if can support means it won't drop so fast. If it cannot support, okay, if this one cannot support, you come back to here 1545. Well, you come back to 1545. Probably
Fibonacci 70% retracement 61.8 sorry 61% retracement possible. Let's take a look. Is it 61%? Yeah, correct. 0.382 61%. Okay, so if this one cannot hold 50 now, it already dropped a lot. 30% retracement. Already 38.2 already passed. Looks like 50 can hold. If 50 cannot hold, it will come back to this one. 60% retracement. 61.8. The retracement is on the way. We already saw this coming Saturday. We already do the analysis on Saturday. So we really saw from the sector, right? Because that's why we do an in-depth analysis. Just don't only look at KLCI. Look at KLCI, you cannot really gauge the movement. When you look at all the sector, I really said the sector, right? Looks like sector also all already hit the peak already. No momentum. So that's why you can see this one today. What happened? So look at some top gainers today. We got still got some gainer. PMBTECH, Petrochemical, Chinhin, Tomei, Pokong. So we take a quick look. Okay, let's take a look at the list. PMBTECH first. PMBTECH still going up because this one's still flying. The aluminium. Still can hold. It dropped below 17.7 out. Still above 17.7. Still can hold. Okay, whether it still got one push up or not. Chinhin too high to chase. This one too high to chase already. Must chase it lower. 2.5. If you're holding it, your stop loss is at 2.5. Now chasing a bit too late. I think. Better not chase. Unless I overbought. Almost overbought. Better not chase. Hibiscus also went up a lot today. Because of this hibiscus still pushing up. Better don't chase. It's not that better not chase. Really go too high. It still can go up, but very dangerous already here. If you're chasing here, you are totally chasing high. You're putting yourself a lot of risk. Better not chase. But still looks like it still want to go because the oil price flying today. See the oil price today, how much? Wow, 130 130, 125. We are going to pay for it, man. I really gonna cover it. Never mind. Later, still have to pay for all the this one inflation. We are gonna pay for it. Tomei Pokong today big spike because the gold price going up. This one very volatile. Got money. Today you buy already. Today go up. You can make money. Sell first. Just hold. I'm not saying if it cannot continue go up, might still continue go up. But you ask me want to chase or not, I will not chase. Because this one if one drop, it can drop until here. One drop, two drop. Very volatile. This one very hard to play. Very inconsistent. But if you're really chasing, maybe today you take half. You really chasing cheap 96 cents. You take half first, see what happens, because here a lot of resistance here. Take half first. Pokong a little better. Okay, Pokong I said you can try after the break above this 0.855. Your stop loss is 0.97. Okay, so this one you still continue to hold. I said this one Pokong I will probably buy. Tomei I might not. Pokong is still looks like still okay. Today maybe take half profit also can and see what happens. Wait and see what happens. Okay. So that's it for today. We talk again in the evening. So stay safe from COVID. Really no joke this COVID. Once your children get it, young children get it, you have to feed them, you have to bath them, everything you have to do for them. There's no choice. Some more we also don't know. They already caught it. When by the time we know, by the time fever, everything go up. Okay, when the symptom all come out, already too late. Everyone already infected. And also, right, don't think that the antigen test will tell you. Antigen test only very serious. Only that time it will pop up. During that time, during the time when my kid kena, my daughter kena, none of us test positive on the antigen test. Only the PCR only is then we only know that everyone is affected. Again, nonetheless, we have to cope with it. Okay, I'll talk to you again in the evening. Bye bye.